the impact of AI on VLSI. As you all know, VLSI is a backbone of digital world, and AI is the new brain driving into the new revolution.
VLSI, fabrication or more in India, fabrication or more or design is more?
Manufacturing is more.
Design is more. Design. Why fabrication is not more than this?
First,
In fabrication, which countries are more developed? In India.
Those who are aware of AI and VLSI will replace those who do not know AI, and AI can easily compete with some other tips, some other technologies also. AI also reduce the manufacturing cost and easy layout designs, some other things also. So like that, AI will impact on VLSI.
But in some companies, AI tools use video tools, synopsis, talents, they are use AI tools. But AI cannot replace human thinking and capacity.
By using programming techniques like OOPs, constant random verifications, and functional coverages, and system log assertions, like these all topics are mixed with the hardware to the software. But Verilog is lacking between